everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
Champion is doing. All right, Thursday, July 8th. You know what I'm saying? So we are near the second half of 2021. You know how it go. It don't wait for nobody. You either get on or you get left. That's it. You stay focused. You stay dedicated. You accomplish your goals, and you know, great things end up working out for you. I believe in that. Check this out. We're in Champions Value Cryptocurrency, right? We are moving through these videos. I really hope everybody learns as much as they can about cryptocurrency. Getting your wallets. You're getting on great exchanges like Crypto.com. Shout out Crypto.com. Like the fees on there, you know, low. Sometimes no fees. So if you haven't got a chance, check out Crypto.com. Because you know, they are amazing as far as the fees go, as far as the whole interface over there. So what I wanted to get into is, you know, let you know how you can start investing. How do you get into investing with cryptocurrency, and what are the best investment coins, right? For me, right? So I'll give you guys 3. Right. So first one I want to get into is DAI, D-A-I, stablecoin, Maker DAO, Ethereum, ERC2020. It's an ERC20. Overall, great product though. So what it does, let everybody know what it does. It's a stablecoin, right? It's backed 1-of-1 to the USD dollar, right? And what it's made for is made to transact in cryptocurrency, but it's made to be stable. So let's say you make a transaction, like say you sell something, right? And you're taking a trip overseas. You don't want to have all this money on you or whatnot, or you don't want to pay those Western Union or MoneyGram fees. So you sell like an NFT, like a digital painting or something like that. And you know, but you don't want to do any other transactions. Well, you get the DAI, you put it in your wallet, your exchange wallet, or your you know, like an Exodus wallet, Trust wallet, things like that. And you just put it there, and when you come home or you come to wherever you want to move it around, it's still gonna hold that dollar value still, but it's cryptocurrency, so you don't have to worry about it being at a bank or anything like that. So what you can do with this DAI stablecoin is you can what's called stake it, so you make the network stronger. So how you stake is through an exchange. Let's say Crypto.com, for example. You go to the staking option, and it's gonna lock up your coin for a certain amount of time. Now there is a minimum entry for DAI is 250. Right? So you get in there and you stake that, and they're gonna give you 10% yearly, but broken down weekly. So off of 250, you get like 40 cents get a little lower, I believe 4%, but just for having that coin in there, and they're gonna give you an ADA. That's what the Cardano coin is called, and they're gonna pay you an ADA. So yeah, so let's get into a little bit of what Cardano is. Cardano is a cryptocurrency that aims to connect the globe, provide voting rights, provide like a way people can register property, things like that. So it's really trying to tackle some big obstacles, but you know, the Cardano team, strong team, they believe in what they're doing. I believe in what they're doing. I believe in their vision. They're just pushing out the Alonzo updates for the smart contracts, things like that. So be on the lookout for them. You can stake your crypto. You can stake your ADA on crypto.com. So it's another way you can make crypto with crypto. So it's one way you can do it. And yeah, so it's 2 coins, 2 ways you can make crypto. And one more way where you can make money staking your crypto is with Ethereum, ETH. And you can also stake that on crypto.com. I believe you can make 5%. Alright, so instead of your crypto just sitting in a wallet, you could put it on the exchange, make those get those weekly payments coming in. Yeah, it could be cool. You know, if you need more of a walkthrough, you know, do the consulting as far as it goes on what the app looks like, what you'll need to get your app started, if you know which exchanges and which wallets that I trust, how to store your keys, you know, your private keys for your private wallets, you know, things like that. So just be on the lookout for that. You know, we'll be dropping new gems, dropping the information, you know, get into all that. It's important. So yeah, I want to thank everybody for checking out the content, right? Check out the links I got down in the description. CVCC merch, we give some merch. Right now I'm wearing Nino Brown, Chase Your Dreams shirt. Shout out Nino Brown, what he's doing over there with his channel is phenomenal. Getting a lot of people into investing, getting a lot of people into break out of their shell, to believe in what they're doing. You know, he's one of my mentors. You know, I just listening to him mentors me. You know, every time I listen to one of his videos, he inspires. He believes in what he's doing. He makes music. He invests in his community. He has a team that he's lifting up. So really respect what he's doing. So I have no problem wearing his gear. Right? Let's see. Yeah. So you know, check him out. If you get a chance, I'll link his stuff in the description. If you don't know who Nino Brown is, the crypto.com link is gonna be in the description. So check that out. You know, get your crypto.com account. Stop playing. You know, for real. It's time to take your future serious. And, you know, get that done. Go get a crypto.com account. Right, links in the description. Get $25 when you stake your CRO coin. There's be details on how to do that once you open a crypto.com account. But yeah, you need to get that done. Get that done ASAP. Right, let's see what else I gotta go over. Yeah, the ChampionsPlaybook merch. Check out the website. Get you some gear. If you're a champion in what you do, get you some gear. Also have the Coinbase link. Great place to purchase cryptocurrency too and earn cryptocurrency just answering questions. So you gotta check that out. If you want to support, we got the Cash App link, got the PayPal link. So a lot of great links. Got the Instagram link. You know, a little more active over there as far as posting content material. So be on the lookout for all that. Dedicate yourself. Get cryptocurrency. Learn about it. Learn about what the future looks like. And yeah, we're gonna, you know, do it like that. Don't stop believing in yourself. Never stop believing in yourself. Never stop believing in your abilities. Never stop believing in what you're about. You know, and things like that. And everybody, stay focused, stay dedicated, stay champions. Make one of the plays every day.
from no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. I'm touching the sky. I fly over buildings. You searching with healing. The ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds. I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all